For For part of your homework, you're going to be given a table, and you have to go to the equation. But to get to the equation, you really need to find the slope. Remember, slope is equal to the rise over the run. Slope is also equal to the y2 minus y value over x2 minus x1 value. So if I call this my second point, and I call this one my first point, if I plug that in, y2 of 12 minus y1 of 9 all over x2 of 9 minus x1 of 7, it actually gives me a slope of not 12 minus 9 is 3, 7 minus 9 minus 7 is 2. From this, now that you have the slope, you can actually write the equation. It was y equals, you had to put the slope in front of the x, but then you're going to have to look at the graph and figure out what I have to add or subtract to it. So when I plug in this number will come out. So if I plug in 7, these are not pretty numbers. It might give me a fraction, that's okay. 3 halves times 7, 21 divided by 2 is 10.5. What do I have to add to 10.5 or subtract from 10.5? So the y is going to be a 9. Minus 1 and a half. So that is now going to be that part of the equation.
Couldn't it also be x minus 1?
So it's 3 halves minus 1.5 or minus 3 halves. So you have just gone from the table to the equation. The other way to find the slope is to plot them. And remember, slope is defined as rise. This actually rose up how many spaces? 3. If you count from this dot to this dot, it went up 3 spots, and it went over 2. Because you're going from over 7 up 9. Wait, this was 7. This was 7, 9. This was 5, 6. The whole point is the y value changes by 3, the x value changes by 2.